today we had a meeting. This is the MLA Committee on Environment and Climate Change. Except two of our members who are out of station, 5 of us could make it for this meeting, and we had a thorough consultative meeting with the Kohima members of the Kohima Municipal Council, the Kohima Chambers of Commerce, and the colony chairmen in Kohima town. You all are aware this committee has been very active in visiting some of the areas like dumping site and rivers, both in Dimapur and Kohima. And we had interaction with the Dimapur Municipal Council, East Dimapur Town Council, Chümoukedima Town Council in our last visit to this township. We are also aware that we have also passed some resolutions like not polluting the rivers anymore, not sending the septic tank to the rivers like Chade and Tansari. So today, in line with what we have discussed and deliberated and resolved with the Dimapur, Chümoukedima and East Dimapur, we had the same line of discussion with the Kohima Municipal Council, and we have unanimously adopted particularly 2 resolutions with the colony chairman when they were around. We had a short briefing meeting with the Kohima Municipal Council separately when you were coming in. Before that, we had a general consultative meeting, and a resolution, unanimous resolution, was adopted. The one resolution is that from now on, the colony will enforce. The Municipal Council also will enforce. The Kohima Chambers of Commerce will also enforce that no residents, no families, no septic tank will be released to the rivers and nullahs in Kohima town. This is one resolution we have adopted. And the Kohima Municipal Council have been expressing difficulties like they have the facilities of cesspool, but there is no passage to enter some of the colonies in Kohima town. Very congested, you all are aware, we all live in Kohima, the capital city. So today we have passed a resolution collectively that the colony will make an endeavor to find a passage to let easy accessible for the cesspool and other vehicles related to sanitation, which are being executed, used by the KMC. So this is 2 significant resolutions we have adopted, because unless the vehicle pass through the colony, unless there is a parking place or a turning place, it is very difficult for a cesspool to reach and collect all those waste. So these are the resolutions we have adopted. And the pollution of rivers, especially, this is one concern we all have. And also the Kohima littering of Kohima town. The municipal councils, we have thorough discussion on this, and we have decided to reactivate the fecal sludge, which is already being constructed by the government long before. You go and see in Merima, very good facilities being provided by the government, investing hundreds of crores, which is yet to be put in operation. Unfortunately, there are many educated Naga youths, but when the tender is flooded, we don't find even some capable unemployed youths to come forward even to take up such contract work, or what do you call, engagement of such activities for their earning and livelihood. This is one sad part. We only look for government jobs. It's very unfortunate. So this is one of the difficulties, but all paperwork are done for re-advertisement. The KMC will soon advertise, very soon, for re-operation of these fecal sludge facilities, which is already constructed at Merima. Then we have also decided to reactivate the re-incineration machine, or what is this called? Segregation of waste and recycling at Liri colony. You will see last time some of you came with us. We have already inspected that area, and government there also have invested a lot of money to the tune of even hundreds of crores, and facilities all tip top. So all this will be reactivated. What we would like to urge upon the citizens of Kohima city is, please obey the rules. Kohima Municipal Council and the Chambers of Commerce have been implementing a lot of rules in segregating the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. The waste should be should turn into wealth. No? So therefore, all this segregation is being done and will be more efficiently done from this meeting onwards. So therefore, we would also like to urge a bill upon the citizens of Kohima town that let us segregate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, so that it will be easier for the KMC and the Kohima Chambers of Commerce to implement, to effectively execute and clean our city and take it to the operation site, that is the recycling site, and we will be able to make a clean city. We have also shown a video clip of the Toyang water reservoir, the Toyang Dam, where the waste bottle of Kohima a larger chunk of the waste bottle goes down to Kohima town, because these Tuyang rivers, it flows from here. Then a little portion goes from the Minju side, another portion comes from the tributary, comes from the Vige rain side. So we have shown some video clip how the Tuyang river is being polluted with a lot of plastic bottles and plastic polythene bags. So these concerns are being expressed today, and unless Kohima city, Kohima town is clean, it is the other towns are also not being clean. And instead of giving a good example to the other township, we ourselves are a contributory to the polluting of other cities and other rivers. So the sensitization with the Kohima dwellers, the citizen, is important, and for this committee is extremely worried, and for which we are into this, and we hope with today's meeting a little bit mindset change will come, and hopefully the Kohima, those who reside in Kohima are supposed to be the most enlightened group of people. So hopefully there will be a sea of change with our way of living, our way of speaking our pan, let us say, and the way we throw away our waste. So this is what the committee have had discussions, and we have decided so.